Hey everyone, welcome to MZBTV. My name is Melicca Zade Barreto, and today I'm going to be doing a Remington hot rollers review and tutorial. So this will be my first impressions of using this, and I'm really excited. It is the Remington Proluxe hot rollers, and it comes with 8 small rollers, as you can see on the side here, and then 12 large rollers. I've watched a couple of tutorials on it and it looks really good, so I'm really excited to use it. And I thought, instead of opening it in my previous haul of the Amazon products that I bought, I would rather do a little unboxing here with you as well, in case you're interested in buying it. I think this cost me £44 on Amazon, but I've seen somewhere on TikTok that it costs £34. So shop around and hopefully you'll be able to find it a little cheaper. It's also sold at Boots. I did look for it on there. It was also £44 there, so yeah. So that's what it looks like in the box. And then you just plug it in with the plug. Apparently you're supposed to let it heat up for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do that and I'll be back shortly. So that has been 10 minutes. The heated rollers are probably ready now, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of a before. So this is my Lifing bottle. It's from Lifing X Self-Dot. Lifing is Miles Nazaire's company, which is a health and wellness events company, and Self-Dot is a company that makes these awesome bottles. So this is metal and it is so nice, keeps everything cold. So first things first, I need to do some sectioning, and then I'm going to use the small rollers underneath and the bigger rollers on top. I've seen a few Remington hair tutorials with this device, and that is what most girls are advising, because when you use the smaller curlers, it makes it quite puffy around the face. Anyway, I'll probably do some fast forwarding in bits and pieces of this, so I really hope you don't mind any of that. But I really hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do, please do give me a like and a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I've got a clip here, and I'm going to start by just taking my hair and putting it up, half up anyway. I'm going to start at the bottom. So that's the first layer of sectioning done. So these do have this velvet effect, which is supposed to help the hair cling on. I'm just going to wrap the bottom around there. And apparently you're supposed to roll, kind of like pulling it out towards the side to add volume. And then it's got the little clip. Obviously my rolling technique isn't going to be perfect today, but yeah. As this is a first impressions, it has nothing to do with the actual products. I'll obviously get better at learning how to roll them. One thing that I am experiencing is that it's not as easy as it looks online. So obviously that just will improve with practice, but it's not easy. Like, I wanted to do a whole chatty section talking about things and whatever, but I feel like if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to do it when the hair is done, because this needs concentration. I'm finding it really hard to do things working from the back, so I'm gonna try do some rolling with my head down. That is finally me. I am finally finished. So they are quite warm when they get close to your head, and it is quite warm when you're picking it up with your fingers, but it's not hot to the point where you can burn yourself. The one thing I did not like so much was how like fiddly it is to get it up off of these heating bars. As you can see, each of the rollers sit on these heating bars, and I found that like moving them up and out of the holder and heater kind of can be a little bit sticky in a way, like kind of like doesn't move so easily. That's fine. And if you're interested in my outfits, because I'm all pink, all matching, looking really cute, I think, I have an H&M blazer. Then there is this beautiful pink dress from Polly, and this lovely pink necklace over here that was from a friend of mine who unfortunately passed away. He actually got it from here in England, gave it to me there in South Africa. He unfortunately passed away in a car accident, so rest in peace to my friends Diego and Yoni. Diego was the kind person to give me this, and I thought it was really cute for this video because it's all pink. And then I've got accessorized earrings, and I'm wearing the Maybelline lifter gloss for my lips. Okay, so I need to let this sit. I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know, maybe an hour or two, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. I'm back and I'm ready to start taking the curls out. That's something I don't really like, is that my hair kind of gets stuck here in the clip, but it's probably just user error. So that is all of the colours out. I think that I do need to give it a little bit of a comb through with my fingers. It's very pretty. It's just, I think it's gonna take time to get used to using the product, using the Remington curlers, and just finding the right technique where I'm sectioning my hair correctly and I'm able to roll them correctly. And also when I take them out, I'll learn better how to remove them. That's going to cause like less pain. I don't know if you noticed from my face in the clips where I was taking it out, there was some pain because of the clips and everything just getting stuck in my hair. But I don't think that's really that common. I think that is just a case of like user error and a case of needing to practice more. So my first impressions of the Remington hot curlers is that it is actually a really good device. It makes it really easy. I've never been very good at doing the curls with my curling iron or with a straightener. And I find this is a really nice and easy kind of way to do things. I feel like it's also quite a safe device because it doesn't burn your fingers, and yeah, I just think that it's a really nice and easy and convenient way to do it. Many other girls in the tutorials that I watched spoke about how they would usually put their hair up and then they'd go and do their makeup or go do other things. So that's the nice way to probably do it, where you have all of that like still to do while your hair is actually sitting. And yeah, but overall I am very happy with this. I think it's quite beautiful, and I mean, still getting a little bit of light from the window, but now the majority of the light is coming from the ring light. So I don't know how nicely you can see this, but there is like a sunset nearly. So I was thinking to take the camera out there and go and have a look properly out there. So this is what my hair looks like outside in more natural light. I think it's really pretty and I am very happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you have enjoyed this Remington Proluxe hot rollers hair tutorial and first impressions review. I will definitely let you know in a vlog coming up in the upcoming months whether I am still loving the product and how I'm getting on with it. My hair will probably look even better when I get the right practice in. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video anyway and it's given you some good insights. And if it has, please do comment down below and give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Any engagement you do will definitely be helping me with my university project, which is about success on YouTube. And yeah, so thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.